Okay, guys, thank you very much for joining the session. Are you able to see this MT4?
Yes.
Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, so right now, since most of the users they are using this new strategy, which is called Strategy 7, but still most of new users they are having some complaints and they're not able to understand the signals properly. So the Strategy 7, it's basically it's very simple and straightforward. So people usually they get confused with this red and green dots. Why are they appeared? What are they used for? And what is this green dot with green circle? And so on and so forth. So today I'll explain it once again. I've already explained the same thing in the video also as well, but to explain it more clearly, I'll just re- go through the strategy once again. All these signals, these red dots and green dots, these are called dynamic reversal signals. Okay, this red dot with red circle or green dot with green circle, okay, this means that the market is for that particular time frame is at the lower position. Okay, so this red dot with red circle means in M5 right now the market reached to its highest position, but the same place if you see in M15 it will be a different scenario. So each time frame is having its own highs and lows. Okay, so the green dot without any circle it means it's like lower higher low, something like that position. And these zones which is like red and yellow, these are called support and resistance area right now. So this was earlier a support level, but in this particular area it break the support level, so then it become a turncoat. And the same information is mentioned over here also as well. If you go like, see, okay, that was long time back. Okay, so usually the strategy is like this. Once you get a dynamic reversal signal like over here, okay, this one or this one or this one, after you get a dynamic reversal signal, as soon as super trend line appears, okay, you have to open your trade. For example, in this position, dynamic circle appeared, dynamic reversal signal appeared, but the super trend line appeared on this particular candle. So once this candle closes, okay, super trend line will appear. So this will be your opening position of a sell, okay, and it goes on. If you, it's up to you. You have some. If you have your own like target per each trade, it's up to you. Then once you achieve your target, you can close the trade, or you want to go from one dot to another dot. It's up to you again. So it depends upon your risk management and all these things. But so far, I want to clear some confusion regarding the red dots and green dots, and the red dot with a circle, green dot with circle. So I hope it's clear for everyone right now. So if there is any question regarding these dots, dynamic reversal signals, you can ask question right now before I go forward. Guys, any question with dynamic reversal signals? If you're not asking, it means you understood very well. So I'm going forward right now. Okay. Then later on, don't ask any questions because then it will disturb the whole sequence. Okay. So as per the strategy, okay, once you get a dynamic reversal signal, super trend line appears, you have to open the sell trade. If you got a dynamic reversal signal, okay, but a super trend line appeared over here, this will be your opening position. But sometimes if you see it got mixed up over here, so as per the strategy, as soon as you get the dynamic reversal signal, you have to take a position for buy or sell. But in this case, when super trend line appeared, similarly you got a dynamic reversal signal. So in this type of scenario, close your trade, okay, then wait for another super trend line, okay, open it over here, After this dynamic reversal signal, open your trade on this super trend line, and as soon as you see another what you call dynamic reversal signal, close it, and then wait for another super trend line appearance. Okay, so like this it goes on each time frame. So if this strategy works very well on all the time frames, okay, I just tested it again today. It works very well on all the time frames. But if the pair is too much volatile, then it's better to be on higher time frames. If the pair is not, or the instrument is not volatile, then it's up to you. You can trade on lower time frame also as well. Okay, guys. Any questions? Anything so far you've not understood? My voice speed is okay. You want me to talk a bit louder, slower? Is there anything you want me to adjust myself to it? Guys, all okay? Okay. So if all are quiet, so it means you don't have any questions. You are clear so far. Okay. Now the new additional confluence which I messaged yesterday to add it into the strategy to avoid scenarios like this one. If you see this scenario, super trend appeared for a shorter time, but again it reappeared towards the sell position. Okay. In order to avoid this type of situation, okay, we just go to the indicator settings. Okay, and add the signal line as a parabolic SAR. Okay, after doing this one, okay, and you get another signal line over here. So now this signal line will act as a parabolic strategy. Parabolic itself is a strategy, okay, but we add this as a confluence to strategy 7 in order to avoid this type of guys. There's guys, please mute your mics. Who is this? Who is this guy? TYL. Okay, mute. Okay. So right now in this particular situation, okay, the dynamic reversal signal might was appeared over here, but superintendent appeared over here. But if you see the signal, this signal line which is acting as a parabolic strategy right now, okay, it did not change its color. It's still in pink color. This is green color, and this is pink color. Okay, so this means, okay, this means that this it could be the false movement of the market, okay, or it is a shorter position. You can take it and just close it immediately, because if you see dynamic reversal signal, you got a super trend line, but at the same time if you see this what you call signal line which is acting as a parabolic strategy, it did not change its color. Okay, even though if you take your buy position also over here on this particular candle, you can immediately close it over here also upon the next candle, in order to avoid, or either take little bit profit, or either to avoid loss or break even. Okay, so then as soon as you get this super trend line which is in the yellow golden color, okay, then you can again open a sell position on this particular candle, and you can go on so forth right now. Guys, did you understand, or shall I repeat it once again?
Please repeat once again because a lot of noise previously.
Okay, first of all, are you able to see this line properly?
Yes, yes.
Okay, it's, I think, let me delete this one, hold on a second. Now it's okay. I think these lines are not getting,
Very,
yeah.
very okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because the lines were mixed
very
up.
okay.
Yeah, because the lines were mixed up with super trend and signal line, so it was like a bit confusion over there. Okay. Okay. So now this dots are acting. These dots are called parabolic dots. Okay. In order to make a chart a bit cleaner and look a bit more like to improve the visibility of the chart, so I added from the navigator panel this parabolic signals. So now, for example, if even though, for example, if you get a dynamic circle over here, a dynamic reversal signal over here, because which repainted at this place, then it went till this place. So just imagine if you get a dynamic reversal signal at this point of candle, you are already on this particular trade, you close it over here, and as soon as super trend line appeared, you open the position at this particular candle closure. So once this candle closed, you open your buy trade. But if you see on the second candle, okay, on this candle closure, still the parabolic did not change its position. Parabolic did not change its position, so it means the market is going to come down right now. As you see, the movement was for a short time, it was like a retracement of the market, then the market came down again. So this parabolic will give you additional information to be on hold your current position, or it will give you a direction to where the market is going on right now. Most of the times you will see, if you see at this particular area, dynamic reversal signal appeared, but super trend line appeared very late, but parabolic signals appeared before than super trend line. Now here is a chance, like a 50-50 chance, or maybe it's, you can just adjust yourself into the strategy, because sometime this will appear first, sometimes super trend will appear first, but usually as per the strategy which we going on, which we are going to what you call open trades, it will be like dynamic reversal signals, then super trend lines. So if we get parabolic earlier, so it means the market is going up. So as soon as we get a super trend line, we open a position on this candle. Okay. So as soon as we saw again dynamic reversal signal, okay, we close our position and wait for the super trend line. But before super trend line, we again got parabolic signals a bit earlier, so it means it's confirmed the market is going down. But as soon as we open trade on this particular candle, the market came down, and once we saw this dynamic reversal signal, we close our trade, we open another trade in this particular situation. So like this, you have to adjust yourself to the trades. So once you're adjusted to it, then it will be very easy for you guys to understand it. So any questions so far? Any confusion
Okay,
still?
noted,
Yeah,
noted, Salahuddin. And do you record this video so we can access it for later use?
yeah, yeah. Recording is already going on, so you can watch it
All
later
right,
on
thank
also as
you.
well. Yeah. So what I've observed most of the times
All right, thank you.
in a similar place is like where you get a dynamic reversal signal at the same time. If you get super trend and parabolic signals, that movement it's very good. If you see in this particular situation, boom, it went to this high. If you see over here from this dynamic reversal signal, both came almost in the almost on the same candle. Boom, you go. If you see super trend line and parabolic also appeared on exactly on the same candle, so boom, you go. These are big shots. What I've observed.
Yeah, true. Thank you.
Yeah, if you
Thank you for
see,
the explanation.
yeah, if you see on this particular area, okay, it was a small movement, but still you can get some pips on this particular from this particular candle onwards. Super trend line appeared, parabolic appeared, boom, you go. Huge movements. Again, similar huge movements. So I'm on 5 minute chart right now. Okay, so these are the things you guys can like practice on demo account. So if it goes well with you guys, then you can go for it accordingly. If you see right now at the current situation, dynamic circle appeared over here, parabolic, and a super trend line appeared on the same candle. Okay, but the funniest part, dynamic reversal also appeared over here. So now in this case, you will not look for this candle, this the dynamic reversal dot. The reason is because the market is going up. You have parabolic confirmation, you have super trend line confirmation. It's going up. Plus, it hit the support level also as well. This is another real confirmation. So you should not look for this dynamic reversal signal over here. Even though, even though, even though if it's a confusion also as well, no problem. It might be a loss if the market suddenly moves, okay, or it might be a small profit, or you can close it earlier, or it might hit your break even. It's up to your risk management. Then again, you can directly open a sell position if a super trend line appears over here at this particular area. So if just let's go to M1. So in M1, as I said, if you get all these things at the same area like super trend line and parabolic at the same what you call area as per the strategy, like after dynamic reversal signal, you get super trend line plus parabolic, go for it. Same like this, but on this one it appeared over here exactly on this candle. After dynamic reversal signal, market came down, again it went up, but on this particular candle exactly aligned. So boom, you go. So this is the additional confluence which I've like worked on it, so it works well, and I've tried a couple of trades on it, so it's working very well. So any what do you call, any suggestions on this new confluence you guys you have in your mind? You're please open to share it with me. Any suggestion? Because I'm also a learner. Or any questions? Do you have any with regards to strategy or something like that? You can please feel free to ask. Guys, come on, please ask some questions. I'm getting bored. Guys,
I think we have some MT5 problem for the signal line if we are using the parabolic SAR because my line didn't change color. Like it stays like bearish all the time,
uh huh.
where it's supposed to be changing green and brown, I think. But yeah, for the MT5, I think I have to report it on the book.
Okay. Plus, I will also check from my side also as well. If I find something, then I will inform Pyram also on the same to fix the issue. So right now you are seeing that on MT5, the parabolic signal line did not change its color. Okay, guys. So far you are clear with it, or still confusion? Guys, come on, ask
For
questions.
me, it's loud and clear. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Yeah, for me it's perfectly clear.
okay, then it's okay. Where is this guy, Asif? He was asking a lot of questions earlier. Now he's totally quiet. Where is he? I think he left the session. Hmm. I think he left the session. Earlier he was asking a lot of questions. Now he vanished. No issues. So this is the strategy with additional confluence. I will just create a set file also as well, a new set file. So if anybody who wants to have the strategy with the additional confluence, they can upload the new set file. If you don't want this additional confluence on your chart, so then you are good with the old set file. So I'll give you options. So everybody's own, like, Everybody's having its own like mindset with the strategy. But the problem with this parabolic signals, if you go for higher time frames like M15 or M30, these are very late, very late. For example, if you see over here, huh, dynamic circle appeared over here, super trend line on this appeared on this candle, but dynamic appeared on this particular candle, on which you already get this dynamic reversal signal. Market is going ahead against, but as parabolic, the market is still going down. So parabolic on higher time frames, it's a bit late, but if you get some in some positions, if you get like in same level, then it's a huge jackpot. But so far on M5 or M15, I find it very useful, especially on M5. So this is the scenario. And second options, you have one more option. I'll give it to you. Suppose if you don't want to trade on super trend line, if you want to go purely with parabolic, okay, then again also you can have an option over here. Strategy will be the same. Instead of super trend, then it will be parabolic. As soon as you see dynamic reversal signal, you get a parabolic sign, open trade until the parabolic is like towards like against your position. Then you can close it over here or over here or over here. It's up to you. You get another dynamic reversal signal over here. Parabolic appeared over here on this particular candle closure. Open your trade. In the same way, like you're opening trade with super trend, now it will be changed from super trend to parabolic. So the difference is only what they call super trend line in this particular strategy. If this makes sense for you guys also as well, it's also profitable strategy, but with a bit late entry. On lower time frames like M1, M5, it's okay, but on high time frames, it's late opening position signals. So it's up to you guys right now. If you see at this particular scenario, right now in the current scenario, dynamic signal appeared over here, parabolic appeared nearly, so it went up. Yeah. So in this, but the beauty in this parabolic one, when the market moves in small parts, in this particular strategy, it will be avoided. If you see over here, small parts, small movements. See, dynamic circle appeared over here. You get the parabolic on this particular candle. As soon as you get it, but the market moved up. Okay, but still in this part it's showing going down, and this part it's showing going up. Again, it's showing going down, but the market is going up. So in smaller time frames, maybe on M1 and M5, you will get like this type of scenarios. But if you do not get any dynamic reversal signals, don't go for that particular parabolic signal. For example, you do not get any parabolic over here, sorry, dynamic reversal signal over here, don't take this signal. You did not get any dynamic reversal signal over here, don't take this signal. Okay, this one appeared, okay, dynamic reversal signal. You get a parabolic signal on this particular candle, no problem. If this one get in loss, don't worry. The next one you get chance over here, you can recover your loss, and you can get profit again. If you see this particular dynamic reversal signal, you get a dynamic reversal signal, but parabolic is still going up, you get it over here. So this will be a position again to open a trade. So the opening trade has to be always after the dynamic reversal signal, not before that, because that is your one confirmed position that the market is going to reverse back, and unless it will go like it will repaint. So in this particular scenario, it came from here till here, then it repented from till here, then again it repented till here. Okay, after this particular dynamic reversal signal, then it did not repent because the market did not went down. Parabolic appeared, so now it's confirmed. Go. So these are the steps which you have to follow. After dynamic reversal signal, either you keep your strategy with super trend and with parabolic, or either you don't want to keep super trend and you want parabolic only. The choice is up to you guys right now. Which one is easy for you? Take the strategy and use it. Is everything clear, guys? Or there is some confusion still?
Yes, loud and clear.
Loud and clear, very good.
Yes, perfectly clear.
Perfectly good. Okay, that's fine. So I'll create a new
I
set.
guess we should add one too, where we should add, where we should be careful of the news. Like just
Yeah,
now,
see?
there's an initial job claim happening.
Yeah. Yeah, thanks for raising this point also as well. Never ever trade during the news. Otherwise, signal appeared over here, parabolic appeared over here. So now wait for this candle closure. So now when this candle, because the market movement is very high during the news, it's very volatile. So maybe this candle will go either extremely up or extremely down. So in both the cases, either it will hit your stop loss if you're in buy, or if you're in sell, again it will hit your stop loss. See? Now in this particular scenario, even though if you open trade upon this candle closure, because parabolic sign appeared over here, okay, usually I will not open any trade on this candle closure. The reason is because during this time, okay, the candle might go extremely low, extremely low. So then it will be very, if I open a sell position also as well, then it will be very difficult for me to recover my what you call, to take any TP, because the market went extremely low. So but there is a high chances of market reversal from that particular point. If you see, the market zigzag between this support, so resistance and support level. See, it hit the extreme low level, dynamic reversal signal appeared. So now there is chances of market going up right now. Okay. So now in this case, if we have like what you call, see, dynamic reversal signal, super trend and appeared. So this was the candle closure, and here was our sell position as per the strategy. So now, but again you get lower low dynamic reversal signal over here. So now you're confused where to go. So that's why always avoid trading during news. Sometime it might go in your favor, sometime it will, most of the times it will go against you. See, now you have parabolics.
Yeah,
What
the
you call,
risk is too high
yeah,
to stake.
exactly. If you see right now, parabolic is over here, but but right now, as per the strategy you're saying, you must be thinking, okay, dynamic reversal signal appeared over here, and super trend line appeared over here, parabolic over here, the market is going down. But at the same, on the same candle, you have lower low and lower high on the same candle. But if you open a sell position over here, so on this particular candle closure, so from here till here, like it's, see, it's 100 pips or points draw down on one lot size. Then if it's one lot size, then it's $100. See, that's why always avoid. Okay, guys, so far so good, clear each and everything.
Yes, very clear. What I learn is it is based to trade if it hits the resistance or the support,
Yeah,
so you can get like
that is, yeah, you can add more confluences as per your easiness. So most of the people, what they do, they want to go for each and every trade. They don't want to do any quality trading. They want to take each and every movement from the market. Okay, it's up to him. If it's easy for him, let him do it. But the good thing is, always wait for, like, if you're getting like from support and resistance level, then if you're getting like reversal signals from support and resistance level, or if you're getting like, for example, if you're getting like dynamic reversal signals with green circle or red circle or gray circle. Yeah, so these are like good points. But with this additional confluence, if you're getting each and everything aligned with each other, go for it. So this is why there is this
all right.
the
Noted.
the
Noted,
advantages of
Salahuddin.
this additional confluence is more than disadvantages. So that's why. So always keep yourself for a daily target for yourself. So once it's achieved, then go out of the market. Then don't care about the market. But if you become greedy and taking all the position, so there's higher chances of making loss also as well, because you'll be same like chicken, like going everywhere to pick the, what you call, seeds or food or something, running here and there like a chicken. So once you achieve your daily target, then close the laptop or MT4 or whatever and go out of the market. Then come next day. And similar, and for the same also, keep your daily loss target also. For example, on daily basis, if you achieve this much loss, okay, then it means it's not your day. Close your laptop, come next day, fresh minded, and first of all try to recover your loss, then look for the profit. So like this it has to be. So in every business, if you get some loss, first of all, then you what you call, you plan for each and everything to how to recover the loss. First of all, forget the profit. First of all, recover the loss. It seems like this also. Once you get any loss, first of all, you should plan each and everything how to recover my loss. Then do the needful accordingly. Okay, guys. Anything else you want me to share? If there is any confusion still, how many guys we have right now? We have around 20, 20, 20, 20 guys. Okay. No, not 20. 15 guys. I think, yeah, Houdini, what happened? Is everything clear for you right now? All the confusion?
No, no, it's pretty clear. I think I understand it. I traded on 15 minutes, so
Mm-hmm.
since today was a bit rangy,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm clear. I have different setups regarding TP and SL.
Uh-huh.
I usually I let uh, at least so I stop it at 100 points. I let it go, and I went back at the month, and it was very profitable. But then earlier today, I asked you about the accuracy because sometimes the circles are repaints themselves. So if I go back in history and I check the results, it's not that accurate. Even though in live time see accurate entry with the circle and the super trend line. But in history, I don't see the circle anymore because there was a lower low, for instance.
Yeah.
So I just noticed this today. So the backtest is as accurate as I thought it was, but still excellent strategy, and I'm working on it to get it better.
So your most of your confusion regarding the repainting is clear right now.
Excuse me?
What I'm saying that, so right now the confusion of the repainting of dynamic reversal signal is clear right now. So why it repaints, it's clear right now.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah. No, everything's here. Yeah, yeah. And I just wanted to make sure that all the setup is correct. So